Head of Strategy at We Are Social, and today we've talked about how to write a creative brief. So We Are Social is a social media agency. We've got 8 offices in the world. We look after a lot of clients like Heinz, Expedia, First Direct, and we do all the social media strategy, content communities, community management, editorial content. And we look after all their presences, social presences on Facebook and Twitter and the likes. The students seem very enthusiastic and keen to learn about it. I'm looking forward to seeing their progress with the creative brief I've given them as a homework.